Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see some of the automation which I have done in my home using Home Assistant. Let's start with the basic automation like turning on and off using voice command. Alexa, turn on TV.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off TV.
Okay.
All the devices and appliances in our home can be controlled using voice command. Let's move on to the next level of automation which works on a scheduled time. The first on the list is the morning routine which starts at sunrise. It starts with gradually increasing the light brightness or providing a sunrise effect, then a greeting message followed by a Suprabhatam song. Similarly, there is an evening routine to play a devotional songs at sunset. Then we have a daily routine that reminds us of Rahu Kalam, an auspicious time, and also turns the puja lamp to red color so we don't do any religious activities during that time.
Please avoid doing important religious things for next 90 minutes. It's a Rahu Kalam.
We have another routine which will turn on passage lights at 6 p.m. and turn off at 10:30 p.m. We will move on to the next level of automation that runs on the button press. We have this mini switch placed in all of our rooms. A single press on this living room button will activate the devotional mode,
Sure.
which turns
Devotional
on
mode
all the
activated
lights, air
successfully.
conditioner and turn off the fan. Then it plays a devotional playlist in an Amazon speaker. A double press on this living room button will activate the guest mode, which includes a greeting message for the guest and switch on the living room TV, air conditioner and the coffee maker.
Welcome to our home. Hope you and your family are super healthy and happy. Please make yourself comfortable while tea or coffee will be served in another 5 minutes. Please feel free to ask me in case of any assistance needed. I am happy to help. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Long press on this living room button will activate away mode and turn off all automation. A similar type of switch is placed in the kitchen and in the bedroom to perform various action. And we have a smart cube which turns on lights and fan in the office room when it is rotated right, and turns off the light and fan when it is rotated left, and announces a message that I am in a meeting and turns the color of the living room light to red when I flip the cube. We also installed a smart video doorbell so that when someone presses the doorbell, we will get a video call on our mobile and an Amazon device will announce a message followed by live streaming from our video doorbell.
Okay.
Now we will move on to the next level of automation that runs on certain condition. I have created an automation that turns off the TV when someone watches TV for an unhealthy amount of time and also turns off the fan when it runs for more than 3 hours.
You have been watching TV for 3 hours. It's a time for break. Bala, living room fan has been running for more than 3 hours. Do you want me to turn it off?
Yes.
Okay.
And we have an automation that will notify when dishwasher completes a process. The notification will display on the TV, on Echo device, and also on a mobile app. I always love to include Salesforce as part of home automation, so I created an app that tracks the expiry date of food products and reminds my wife with a notification followed by a recipe. This automation is built using a simple integration between Salesforce and Home Assistant via webhook.
Siddharth, a gentle reminder, egg is getting expired in 2 days. Would you like to search for an egg recipe?
Yes.
Pepper masala. Here are the ingredients and cooking steps.
Next, we will move on to the automation that runs on scanning NFC tags. We have this NFC tags placed in all rooms, which is used to track the maintenance of all the appliances and rooms.
Bala, your living room is clean now. We'll remind you about your next maintenance soon.
And the next automation using NFC tag is to help me in achieving the next high priority goal, which is to become a certified technical architect in Salesforce. I have placed an NFC tag on all bookmarks, and all I need to do is to scan the NFC tag. This will get tracked and will remind me if I haven't read the books for more than 2 days.
Bala, you have not worked on CTO preparation since 2 days. Please work on it.
I also placed a couple of NFC tags in my car. When I scan one of the NFC tag, it will automatically turn on the AC in my room so that I can have a cool sound sleep once I reach home. Next, we will move on to the futuristic automations that you can see only existed in billionaire homes like Bill Gates or Tony Stark. I have used this ESP32 chip to track the presence based on a Bluetooth device. I have configured it to track my Apple Watch via Bluetooth. When I enter a living room with my Apple Watch, it will get connected to ESP32, which helps to trigger the automation only when I am in room. I have created so many automations that will run only when I am in room. The one which I first implemented is the automation that includes a welcome message followed by my favorite actor's theme music.
Wow. Bala is here. Let me turn on fan for you.
And then the automation which reminds me of Salesforce limits in the Echo speaker based on my room presence. This automation will run every hour and will run only if I am in that room.
Let me share some Salesforce tips for you. The maximum execution time for each Apex transaction is 10 minutes, and for asynchronous, it is the same.
I also created automation based on zone. I have created some zones that my mom frequently visits so that whenever she enters or leaves that zone, a notification will be triggered on Echo devices.
Bala, mom has reached the Kandapottam temple.
Sometimes all these voice notifications causes disturbances to my young daughter. So I have created an automation called Dikshika mode, which can be activated by a voice command or via the Home Assistant app. This will turn off all voice notification on the Amazon speaker. Last but not least, I can view and control all my devices using this Home Assistant dashboard. Also categorize devices and automation based on the room and flow. I'm not able to cover all of the automations that I have set up in my home so far in this video. So make sure you are following this channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.